A handful of wildfires in the Big Cypress National Preserve continue to grow. Right now, the Mud Lake Complex fires are only 11% contained. That's up 2% from yesterday. So far, the flames have charred almost 22,000 acres. The smoke from those fires is causing some real issues. Look at this picture. Highway Patrol sent this morning. The smoke was so dense, they were thinking about shutting down Alligator Alley. That never happened. The smoke also affecting people's health. NBC2's David Hodges joins us now from Collier County with that story.
As we drove out here on Alligator Alley and we started getting enveloped by the smoke, it became a little harder to see and, of course, a little harder to breathe. And as many people in Collier County know, that smoke is not just sticking around this area. The Mud Lake Wildfire Complex might as well be right next door for Bridget Behrens.
I feel like I'm in a middle of a campfire. There's not enough Claritin in the world right now for all the smoke in the air.
The Golden Gate Estates resident isn't the only one wondering where it's coming from.
I just thought there was a fire in my neighborhood, so I was kind of like, what's going on?
The fire is here in the Big Cypress National Preserve, but the smoke is drifting more than 40 miles northwest to the Naples area.
That wildland fire smoke is a respiratory irritant.
Jeff Welly with the health department says there are two levels of symptoms: those without respiratory illness,
Watery, scratchy eyes, or sore throat.
and those with asthma or emphysema.
If you have chest pain, shortness of breath, you really need to call 911 and have our paramedics and firefighters come out and take a look at you.
Welly says to limit outdoor time, especially for kids. You can't get away from it. That's the problem.
Not unless you go inside. 24/7, it's there all the time.
Welly says two other things you can do to help is always keep your AC running and keep the filter clean. Those are just two more ways to help beat the smoke and beat the symptoms that come with it. In Collier County, David Hodges, NBC2.